Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use UpBase for e-commerce project management. Let's get started. First off, you'll want to create your project in UpBase. Simply click on Create Project, name it, and set its duration. This step is crucial because your entire e-commerce project management will revolve around this project, and everything you do on UpBase will be tied back to it. Now that you've done that, it's time to add tasks. Click Add Task. Give it a name, and assign it to a team member. You can prioritize these tasks as well. This helps us because it allows you to break down your project into manageable chunks and assign them to your team, keeping everyone organized and on the same page. Next up, it's time to set milestones. These are significant points in your project that signify a step forward. To do this, click on Milestones, then Add Milestone, and set a date for it. The reason we do this is it gives your team a tangible, clear goal to work towards, and it helps track the progress of your project. Now, let's talk about the Kanban board. Here, you can visualize your project's workflow by moving tasks across columns, such as To Do, In Progress, and Done. This is important because it gives you a visual representation of your project's progress and helps identify any bottlenecks in real time. Finally, utilize the Reports feature. UpBase provides comprehensive reports that let you analyze your project's performance. To access this, click on Reports. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. UpBase takes all the data from your project and compiles it into a report that shows your project's progress, the performance of your team members, and more. This matters because it helps you keep track of your project's health and make informed decisions. And there you have it. A quick guide on how to make the most of UpBase for your e-commerce project management. Remember, the key is to stay organized and keep track of your progress. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy project managing.